Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup VMware ESXi virtual machines running on VPS. To begin backing up VMware ESXi virtual machines on a VPS, ensure you have the necessary access to the ESXi server. Log into your ESXi web interface using the appropriate credentials. Navigate to the virtual machines section from the main dashboard. Identify the virtual machine you wish to backup. Right-click on the selected virtual machine. Choose the snapshot option from the context menu. Select Take Snapshot to create a point-in-time copy of the virtual machine. Provide a name for the snapshot and add a description if desired. Click OK to confirm the snapshot creation. Once the snapshot is complete, you can begin the backup process. Access your local machine or preferred backup storage location. Use an FTP client or secure copy protocol to connect to the VPS. Locate the data store where the virtual machine files are stored on the ESXi server. Download the virtual machines.vmx, .vmdk, and other related files to your local machine. Store these files in a designated backup folder for easy access. Optionally, consider compressing these files into a zip archive for efficient storage. If you are using third-party backup software, configure it to connect to the ESXi server. Select the appropriate virtual machine within the backup software interface. Follow the prompts to initiate the backup process. Monitor the backup progress and ensure that it completes successfully. Once the backup is complete, verify the integrity of the files by checking for any errors. If everything looks good, safely store your backup in a secure location. Plan a regular backup schedule to ensure your virtual machines are consistently protected. Consider automating the backup process using scripts or the features provided by your backup software. With everything set, you can now rest easy knowing your ESXi virtual machines are securely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.